This massive building you are seeing behind me collapsed yesterday night and trapped people underneath it. This building collapsed at Odigbo Ochanja Market, Onitsha. This is very, very painful. People are trapped in this building presently. As at the time I got this video that you're seeing, is only one person that has been brought out, and the person was brought out dead. This is very painful. Building have started collapsing. What is the price of cement? What is the price of road? If nothing is done, more buildings will collapse. Nobody is praying for bad thing, but you can see by yourself. Let me advise people that are building now, mold block in your site and buy the correct of road when you're building. If you no longer have money to continue building, stop building. But please, by all means, don't use substandard products to build. This is very sad. I hope rescue operation is already there and more hands should be sent there to rescue those people. They do not deserve to be crushed to death like that.
This is terrible. If you are building a house, task force from local government will come there to disturb. They won't do proper checkup. They will just collect money. Look at it now. This building, people are trapped under it. In Nigeria, whenever you start to build a house or to put any structure, the first people that will appear there is either Omonile or task force from the local government. And task force from the local government, they are doing their job. But if they come there, they don't do the necessary job they're supposed to do. All they will do is to collect their money, the money that will enter their pocket. If they collect it, they will leave you to continue. They won't check anything. Nobody to check what they are doing, how they are doing it, if what they are using the normal plan to do it, or if they are doing the right thing they're supposed to build there. That is the problem in Nigeria. So if they just collect that money, they will leave you. You can do whatever you want to do. Maybe the measurement and everything, cement and everything they did here is not okay. That's why this house collapsed. This is too bad. Look at people under the house. You know how Nigerian rescue team works. So look at it now. How will these people come out from there? May God come to their aid.
It's a serious issue. As you can see at the other far end, excavation have started. As soon as we're able to get the place evacuated, we'll be able to identify exactly the number of persons who have been trapped here. This collapse is massive. It's really, really massive. Really, really massive. Serious issue happened here. So it's happened here. We hope that the number of casualties here is not as much as expected. That's our prayer for now. This is the voice of FO2 Ejimofo reporting on the incident that happened in Ochanja Central Market. As well. This is excavation. Excavation has started. Excavation has started. Seriously, I see the excavation taking place now. Very massive. This is massive. This is quite massive. This is quite massive. We can't tell the quantity of the quality of the block and the cement that was used to make this building. But time will tell. Let's see. This is quite great. This is very tragic. This is very tragic. It's very tragic.